Just kidding, bitch. But I am shaving my head today. Hello, my name is Jonathan, and today, well, at least this week, I've been sick, okay? So, let's shave our head. Let's go bald. Let's be a bald bitch. So, I'm gonna be bald. Listen, I was not joking. I'm really shaving my head. I need to get rid of this, okay? So, what I'm gonna do, wow, I'm really gonna shave all this off. I'm a little scared because last time I had some help. Oh, fuck, that hurt. I'm not using the best tool, but oh my god, it's really short. Like, I'm actually bald. You know, I probably should not be doing this in a black shirt. Actually, I probably shouldn't be doing this at all. But here I am, doing it. Whew. You know what, it's okay. I really can't see back there. I mean, I guess since I can't see, I can just show you, like... I mean, it feels like I'm doing a good job. Look, this is not a tutorial. Don't... I'm bald. This is hard. I just have to go for it, okay? I have to take a picture of this. That was fucking gross. Yeah, we have to cut this shit off. Quick. Ow! Oh, bitch, you look nasty. I'm stressing myself out. I'm stressed. Before I completely fuck up my hair, I want to thank you for watching. And I want to thank everyone. Because currently, I have 40 subscribers. Wow, bitch. I have 40 subscribers. No. Okay, I need to pause because that was a lot of hair. I did not want to cut up my head. Okay, let's just go. Let's just go. Beautiful, I didn't even cut nothing off. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. I'm almost done. Wow, look at that. I'm a pro, bitch. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. Okay. That. Because I'm not trying to shave off the blonde yet. Okay. Okay, let me look at it again. That was probably really gross. Okay. So I got... What the fuck is this? No, I did it again. Wow. Redmundo could never. Bitch, I'm a cow. It was really in my head. I'm not a cat. I don't say meow. I want to thank everyone if you stayed to the mother freaking end of this video, I want to thank you. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye. Oh wait, and don't forget to like and subscribe.